Adab everybody, welcome to Unibain of Tutorials. Today we shall be learning how to do this rib stitch, which is basically a half double crochet done in back loops. So it's a very simple stitch but quite useful for caps, for mufflers even, to make the rib of a top if you want to. And the special thing about this stitch is it's very stretchable. Okay, I have not made it very loose, so it's not stretching as much, but it's fairly stretchable and it really does stretch out a lot. Okay, don't reshape it right now. So let's see how to make it. You should know how to make a half double crochet, and we'll learn that just now if you don't. So I started with a foundation chain of 12 and 2 to make the extra filler at every end. So we'll just do that here as well, chain 2, and we'll go back. And what we need to do is work just in the back loops. We see there are 2 loops, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So usually we just go through both loops like so. But what we need to do here to do the rib stitch is we want to go only in the back loop. So we'll yarn over and go into this just back loop and pull up a loop and do a half double, and then just so on and so forth, just the back loop. Okay, yarn over, back loop. And when you keep doing the back loop, what happens is that here you have a nice braid in the front, like this one, like this one. Okay, and that automatically happens. You don't have to do anything about it. You just have to do the back loop, and it's the same row either way. It's the same design, front and back. So it's very easy. It's very versatile. I love making caps using this design because it's nice and stretchable. So anybody can wear it. Like with adults, it's a little difficult because I have to be wary of the sizes, but it's quite simple. Okay, and this last one here, we have to be careful. Again, the last back loop. Okay, and then just chain 2, 1 and 2, and then turn your project, and again go again in the first one back loop, and that's about it. Keep going into the back loop. If you want to make a scarf, what you can do is make this foundation chain really long as you want the muffler, and then you can do this rib stitch all the way back and forth, and it's a very nice fluffy scarf that you'll get. Okay. Hope you enjoyed watching this and hope it was easy to follow. You can tag Uni by Anab and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.